Hi! So, welcome to the first episode of this series where I am turning my dresses into fusion ethnic wears because why not? So, first we have this slip dress. We have actually seen a couple of videos where people have styled their slip dresses as an ethnic wear where they just pair it with the jeans. I am going to pair it with a wide leg pant. First, let's put this dress on. What do you guys think? Okay, so there is a white crop top with beautiful balloon sleeves, and I was thinking of putting that crop top beneath this slip. I think it would look very much cohesive. So let's do that. This is the crop top I was talking about. Let's just put it on. I really think the outfit is coming together really well. Now we just need a little bit of accessorizing and of course a footwear. I am thinking of going in with these heels, some oxidized jewelries of course. Ooh. Putting heels on standing is an extreme sport. Now for the hands, you can actually go with oxidized jewelry as well, but I am going to use my watch that I think will go well with this outfit. I am always a watch girl, not a bangle kind of girl, so that's why. Let me show you. Let me just quickly do my makeup and come back. Y'all, I just looked myself in the mirror and I am just blown out of my mind. I have literally outdone myself. Just imagine if you have a Diwali party at office, walking in this effortless look that you pulled out of your slip dress. Yeah. This is a very minimal makeup. You guys can also go heavy on your makeup and stuff like that. That will amp up this outfit a little bit better. So yeah, I think this first episode has boosted my confidence to the next level. So stay tuned for the next episode. Until then, bye. So I just did my episode. So I just did my makeup. So I just did my